Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be a good one. It's going to be my favorite one. It is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November, which is the best month for many reasons, notably the day of eating, the day of drinking, the day of my birth. My birthday is in November, my husband's birthday is in November, Thanksgiving's in November. A mandatory 4-day weekend in my profession is in November, and I am here for it. And now, on top of all of those good things, we get Boxycharm. For those of you who do not know, which I'm sure you do if you're here, why would you be here if not for spoilers? Boxycharm is a beauty subscription service. I will leave all the details and a link down below in case this video persuades those who do not have it to want it. It'll be linked down below. Not sponsored because they don't know I exist, but I think I get points or something, right? I don't know. Let me know. I don't actually know. I don't use them if I get them, so there's that. But it's like $21 to $25. I heard that it's changing. It was $21. I heard that it's changing to $25 a month, and it's usually filled, not usually, it is always filled with 4 to 5 full-size products for you to test and try and love. And it's my favorite subscription service that I get, and I do get a few. So, with all of that said, I'm gonna go ahead and tell ya, like all of us do, to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week, and give it a like if you like, because I would like to know what you like. Duh. That's why I do it. And I don't want to do it if you don't like it, because I could just be doing something else that you might like more. So, please do that. And I think it's time that we stop talking about it and start being about it. Are you feeling what I'm throwing? Are you catching what I'm spitting? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? If you would like to watch me unbox this month's Boxycharm, which is the Boxycharm for November, just keep on watching. So, I haven't even gotten into this box. Got my knife, got my blade. This is the first month that I haven't even seen any spoilers, I don't think, so let's go ahead and like get into it. Hopefully I don't kill myself right now. You guys watch me kill myself on the internet. That would be interesting. Okay, let's get into her and let's see what she has to offer. Ooh, the inside is pink this month. That's cute. I feel like that might have been more fitting last month. Did we have pink last month too? Probably. Okay, it looks like the theme this month is Stellar, and here we have all of the products. Oh, we have a Nikita Dragon. Oh, it's a coupon for Nikita. Oh, for Dragon Beauty, excuse me. But these are all the items for the prices and stuff, so I'll put this to the side so we can look at it later. I want to be surprised with you. Oh, weird. We also have a sample now of a Becca foundation. I don't wear liquid foundation, but if I did, I'd be possibly excited about that. Okay, so the first item I see here is what looks to be some very strange brushes, and they're in a Boxycharm bag. So this is a Boxycharm exclusive. Wait a minute, what is this? Okay, so it looks like Boxycharm themselves are now making brushes. That's interesting. So these are two Boxycharm original brushes. They're very different looking. It says that this duo retails for $35, which is kind of pricey for two brushes. They feel very soft, very, very dense. It essentially says that you can use this for all of your face products, liquid or cream, so I'm kind of interested in doing that. I could see myself using this one for probably contour. They are a little dense for powder, but I'd be willing to give them a try, and I do love, if you've been here before you know, my favorite thing to get in subscription services is brushes, because I hate to buy them. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of these. I'll have to play with them and let you know in a future video. So of course, subscribe so you can see that future video. But pretty cool, pretty cool. 35 bucks. Okay, Boxycharm's doing brushes. Okay, why not? So the next items I see in the box are these two sheet masks right here. They are from the brand Vitamasques. This one says it's an evening goggle eye mask, and this one is a morning goggle eye mask. Okay, this one is to brighten and protect, and this one is to repair and relax. Okay, let me see. Okay, so these retail for $12. They're both for your eyes, which right now, I don't know if you can tell, probably not. I talked about this on my Instagram, which if you aren't following it, it's BRATTERSTEIN, just like my namesake here. I'm very active on the Instagram stories, probably more so than I'd like to be, but here we are. But anyway, I'm going through a thing because I did a lot of Halloween looks and got a brand new eyeshadow palette, and during that time I did my makeup, my eye makeup, like 6 times a day and kept taking it off and putting it on, and like destroyed my eyelids. They got super raw, they've been flaking off everywhere, so I haven't been able to wear eyeshadow in 2 weeks, and they're still not done being healed. So this can come in handy. This is actually perfect timing because I'm looking for anything to help because it hurts. You see that little red spot? Ugh, it hurts and it itches and it's not fun, and it's just the tops of my inner eyelids. So $12, good deal, perfect timing. Thanks, Boxycharm. Okay, the next thing in the box is an expensive one. It is from the brand Juice Beauty, and it is their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and it retails for $50. This I'm excited for because I'm a 31-year-old lady. As of 3 days ago, my birthday was November 4th, and I turned 31. And here I am sitting in my room filming beauty videos, so I lost control of my life. Anyways, let's recover from that, but this is an anti-wrinkle cream, which I could really use. It says eye cream, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put on these little guys on my forehead, because I gotta tell you, not loving what's happening there. Not loving what's happening there. But again, this retails for $50, which is many dollars. Before we get into the next product, I'd really quickly like to know, what is your name and where are you from? How did you find me? Are you a subscriber, or are you somebody who stumbled upon me by looking for Boxycharm spoilers? I would like to know. And I'm sure your mom raised you well enough to say hi when you come into somebody's house. You're in my bedroom. Like, you're in my bedroom. You can at least say hi. I mean, anyway. The next item in the box is a liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors, and this is in the shade Flirty. 30 and flirty and thriving. And this retails for $18. Let's open it up. It looks to be a light pink. I love the packaging of Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. This isn't a color that I would typically wear in a liquid lipstick. Let's give it a swatch, huh? I can't remember if they smell like anything. It's a little painty and a little cakey. Oh, that's a weird swatch. We got our little tornado poop swatch, and that's the shade there. That's actually a really pretty shade. Not gonna lie, I don't typically wear liquid matte lipsticks anymore, just because that feels very, very 3 years ago for me. And like my lips, I'm more about comfort over fashion now. It's the 31-year-old lady. 31-year-old lady in me. And I'm like all about, you know what I'm wearing right now that I'm all about is this Comfort Matte from Urban Decay and Bun Bun from the Kristen Leanne collection. I just want like a comfy lipstick. And this is not exactly that, but I know a lot of people are still hella in to liquid lipsticks, and if you are, you'll probably be very excited about this. And they are cruelty-free and vegan, I believe. Right? Yes. Which I will list down below everything that's cruelty-free and everything that is not, because I personally am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so anything that's not cruelty-free in this little stitch, I'm going to be donating on and just keeping what is cruelty-free. So if that's important to you, right on, sister or brother, it's important to me too, so I'll list it down below so you know what's what. So you know the what on what. You know the what on what? The what on what. Okay, the last thing that I see in the box I'm really excited about, so let's move on. Dude, the last thing in the box is from Dominique Cosmetics, and it is the Celestial Thunder palette. I have been wanting to try Dominique Cosmetics since the inception, since the idea went into Kristen Dominique's brain. Ever since she first thought of it, we connected psychically. We shined to each other hard, and I was like, oh, I really want to try your brand. And then I was like, oh, but I need to be careful and not spend money like I have money. So I haven't bought anything from her brand yet. And I've been on a no-buy since October, and I haven't bought anything in the last month except for the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection, because that was my one exception, because I've been waiting for that for a year. So if you want to see that, make sure to come back, because I got almost everything I wanted. I'm very excited. I might have to do it in 2 different videos because I had to order everything at different times because the site crashed. It took 3.5 hours to get the items that I wanted, and I had to do it in 4 different purchases and pay shipping 4 different times. But anyway, all of that is a long-winded way to say that I'm really excited to try this palette, because I've been really excited to try this brand because their lip gloss is bomb. We got one in a Boxycharm previously, and it's everything. Now let me just show you what the palette looks like. Got a little overzealous there, but look, dude, look at those shades. Ugh. This is extremely exciting. This retails for $35. I think it's like a mini of the Celestial Storm, right? Because the packaging looks the same, but it's just small. But these shades look so stunning. Let me swatch them for you. Let me swatch them for you. Let me swatch them for me. I want to touch it. This, oh, I'll just do it here. I was gonna say this is gonna be a problem, but it won't. Okay. This is the first row. This is Eternal Light. This is Fireball. Don't know why I said Fireball that way. This is Black Matter. Ooh, look at that purple shift. And this is Zero Gravity. This is Lucid Dream. Speaking of which, has anyone ever lucid dreamed before? I've always wanted to try it, but I'm terrified. This is Storm Dust, which I feel like is properly named because it kind of looks like Mars. This is Lunar Eclipse. And this is Mystic Ice. And those are the shades right there. I feel like my light right now is washing these colors out, because right now it is like 7:30 p.m. I have a long night ahead of me. I just finished a coffee because I know I'm going to have to film, edit, upload this all tonight, and take a shower because for whatever reason, my hair washing day always falls on Boxycharm delivery day, so like this stuff is not clean and it needs to be washed because my husband's birthday's coming up and I won't be all fresh and all clean. But anyway, sorry, so many things I'm saying. If you want to see better swatches, I'll probably post them on my Instagram story. So again, BRATTERSTEIN for that. But these are the shades right here, and I'm very excited. I'm going to do a dedicated video to this. I was going to ask if you want to see it, but here's the thing. I'm going to just do it. So if you want to see it, cool, come back. If you don't, I'm sorry. I'm going to be uploading it anyway. And I know I got some of you that'll be here no matter what, because I have the best people ever on this channel. Man, this video was so quick, I just realized that I have already gone through all the products. That's a bummer. It's like Christmas morning when you finish and you just like sit there and you're like... But let me go ahead and do the math and tell you how much all this costs. 1 second. So I just did the math and the overall retail on this box is $150. I said that like Jackie Ina. $150. And we pay $21 to $25. So... that feels like a no-brainer to me. What can I say? I just looked in the mirror and realized I wasn't wearing any blush. Well, like my blush is washed off from the day. It faded. I gotta fix that. My cheeks look so dead. Why didn't you guys tell me? It retails for $150. You pay $21 to $25. I think it's a no-brainer. It's my favorite subscription service. If you would like to sign up, it'll be linked down below. And if you wouldn't like to do that, that's cool too. I will do it for the both of us, and you can come and watch it whenever you want, and I'll be here each month doing this because it's one of my favorite videos to film. It's like Christmas every month. I love getting makeup and I love talking to you guys. So anyways guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It has been really fun hanging out, as it always is. If you liked what you saw, please give it a like if you like, because I would like to know what you like, and subscribe to my channel, become part of the Brat Pack. I would love to have you. Everyone here would love you to be here. Like, this is a really fun party. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Because there's a lot of us in here. But you gotta subscribe so you can come back and hang out with us and meet everybody else. Because they're a little bit shy. That was not cohesive. But here we are. Oh, but in all seriousness, thank you so much for hanging out with me when you could be anywhere else in the world. I love having you here and I love doing this. And I just thank you, because this place is a big place. The world is a big place. There's an infinite number of things you can be doing with your time on this planet, and you chose to sit and watch me play with makeup in my room. So that's tight. You're tight. Hope to see you in my next video, and bye.